Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 9 of the chapter linear equations in one variable. In this part 9, we will be discussing those questions which I gave you as homework in your previous session 8. Coming to the homework, I have given you question number 2 containing 3 sub questions. In them, the first sub question is, a teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Students, while solving such application based questions, you need to identify what is unknown and assume it with a variable. Here, what is the lowest score clearly tells that lowest score is the unknown. So, let us assume that lowest score be with the variable L. Therefore, highest score is 2 times the lowest score, twice means 2 times, plus 7, but it is given that 87 is highest score. Therefore, 87 is equal to 2L plus 7. Now, you know how to solve this simple equation. If you can make this simple equation, it is easy to find the lowest score now. Now, 2L equals to 87 minus 7 on transposing from here, if I say RHS to LHS. So, this is the reason. Now, 2L equals to 80. Now, further 2L equals to 80, L equals to 80 divided by 2. Here 2 is multiplying on transposing multiplicand to from LHS to RHS. It becomes the divisor. So, I have taken as a divisor division symbol, since it is multiplicand here, if it comes the other side, it becomes divisor. So, 80 divided by L is 40. Now, therefore, lowest score is 40. So, this is how we solve this question. Here lowest score is 40 marks. I have written along with the appropriate units or whatever you can say the situation. We write the conclusion. Writing conclusion is also important. Okay. So, compulsory you must write the conclusion, end of the solution. Now, coming to the sub question B, in an isosceles triangle, you know isosceles triangle speciality here I have already depicted. Let us say this is ABC triangle in which AB equals to AC. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles, who are the base angles? Here I have shown you. Here angle B is base angle and angle C is base angles. You know, in an isosceles triangle sides are equal, not only sides, any two sides I mean, not only any two sides are equal, even the base angles are equal. This is what they give. Vertex angle. What is the vertex angle? Here is the vertex angle. So, this vertex angle is 40 degrees. What are the base angles of the triangle? Now, he is asking you to find these base angles. So, that is unknown now. Let us assume that the base angle of an isosceles triangle as x degrees. Therefore, knowing the biangle sum property of a triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. You know, here angle A given as 40 degrees, angle B we assumed as x degrees, and even angle C is equal to base angle. It is x degrees only, it implies 180 degrees since angle B equals to angle C given. So, x plus x gives you 2x degrees plus 40 degrees equals to 180 degrees. See children, this is establishing equation. The moment you establish equation properly, then it is easy to solve the application type of questions. Now, taking further, 2x equals to 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, since on transposing the addend what is that addend? 40 degrees from LHS to RHS. So, this is the reason I am mentioning for each step. So, 2x equals to 180 minus 40 degrees gives you 140 degrees. Now, here 2 is multiplying, therefore, x equals to 140 degrees divided by 2. Reason for it is on transposing the multiplicand to from LHS to RHS. So, the moment you write the reason, it gets full validity. Therefore, x equals to 70 degrees. Now, conclusion. Therefore, the base angle of the given isosceles triangle is 70 degrees. This is final conclusion. So, this is how we solve question B. Coming to the sub question C. Sachin scored twice as Rahul. Together their runs, together means sum of their runs, fell too short of double century. What is the meaning of too short of a double century? You know, double century is nothing but 200, and in that 2 fell short. 2 fell short means 2 is less than that. So, 2 less than 200 is 198. So, this sentence 2 short of double century is 198. How many runs did each one score? That means here both are unknown. So, we need to assume any ones or any one person's score. Let us assume the runs scored by Rahul as Y runs. I have taken Rahul's score as Y runs. Now, therefore, Sachin's score is equals to, since Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul, that means 2 into Y. So, this is a result of our assumption. Rahul has scored as Y runs. Now, therefore, together score of Sachin and Rahul is 198 runs. Why? Because they said 2 short of double century in words, which actually means 198. Therefore, Sachin score 2y plus Rahul score y equals to 198 runs. It implies, see, 2y and y both are like terms. Some of you have doubt in adding like terms, unlike terms in algebraic expressions. You can certainly recollect from the learnings of your class 6th and 8th. So, I hope you can do it at the earliest for the ease of this chapter. So, 2y and y are like terms, they can be added like 2 books and 1 more book, together there are 3 books. So, equals to 198. Further solving this, here in 3 into y equals to 198, we transpose 3, which is multiplicand, and if it comes this side, it becomes the divisor. So, we write that this same reason on transposing the multiplicand three from LHS to RHS, we got a divisor. On division, you have got y value as 66. Now, conclusion. Therefore, the runs scored by Rahul is 66 runs and the score of Sachin is double of 66 is 132. So, runs. This is the final conclusion. Students, coming to the next question number 3, solve the following. In question number 3, again I have got 3 sub questions. Anyways, I better do that in a next video instead of overshooting the 20 minutes as I have been doing it, which makes the children not to watch the videos. I am trying to make winding up of this session, and I will solve the question number 3 onwards, that is sub question 1 of the 3 in our next video. So, till then I say take rest, take care of yourself, but make notes, watch compulsory the videos, and making the notes and doing revision of it is must. So, Jai Hind, thank you.